In today's episode of Did You Know You Could, I'm going to show you how to use a spreadsheet to easily add a lot of events to your Google Calendar at one time. You can actually track all of them in a spreadsheet, see them all, and then just easily import them right into your Google Calendar, making the start of this school year a little easier and a little more efficient for you. Take a look. Okay, so you have your list of dates and events ready, and you want to do this quick update import into your Google Calendar. Here's what you do. Go ahead and have a Google Sheets open, or if you have Excel, you could do it in that, any kind of spreadsheet that you'll be able to download a CSV file. Now, to do this, you do need to have these exact headers at the top. That's how Google knows where to import them into your Google Calendar. The only ones that are 100% necessary for you to fill out is subject and start date. So these two must be filled out, but the others are optional depending on what information you want the calendar to have. All right. Let's go ahead and put in some events that are coming up. We have Teacher Institute on August 15th. Labeled it as the event of Teacher Institute, start date August 15th. You can see here that I did insert a checkbox and then I checked it because it is an all-day event. So I want it to show up on my all-day calendar. Let's go ahead and add a few more events. We also have Teacher Institute on the 16th and all sorts of events that are coming up this year. Let's go ahead and fill those in. They are all filled in. Notice that on some of my events here, I can even include a description depending on what kind of information you want available to you later in your calendar. Now that all of my information is input into my spreadsheet, I'm going to go through the steps of downloading it so that I can import it into my Google Calendar. To download, click on File, Download, CSV. You can see here on my computer it goes ahead and it puts my download file right here. If you're on another computer, it will probably save to your downloads folder. The next step you're going to do is go to your Google Calendar. So here is my Google Calendar. You can see that August is still wide open, but I know I have some events in August. Let's go ahead and import all of those dates from my spreadsheet. Click Settings. On the left-hand side, about halfway down, you can see Import Export. Click that. Now, I'm going to go into my Downloads folder and I'm going to import the file. Here it is right here. Open. And now in one more click, all of those events are added to my calendar. 50 out of 50. I call that a win. Okay, click back. Boom, my August is no longer empty and you can see that all of my events have been easily imported into my Google Calendar. Let's take a look at one of the dates that had some notes in the description. You can see on September 9th, our first quarter midterms are due, and I did go ahead and add the description of when they would post. So you can see how your descriptions will pop up in there. I hope this saves you some time and helps make your life a little bit easier. Have a great day.